Our Bosch exxcel washer-dryer panel lights up but is blank and won't respond when buttons pressed.
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years. And currently work for a well-known manufacturer. Can you post the model number please? Regards.
E-near. WVD24520GB/03FD8807. 01316.
Hi, thanks for that. From the fault you describe on this, it's more than likely the display screen at fault on this. What you can try first if you haven't already is unplug the washer from the socket and leave it 20 minutes and see if this resets the electronics in there. If not, then remove the top of the washer and from there you will see the control board. Check all the wiring connections on there are good. Then remove the board and then you can access the display screen, disconnect this a few times and then refit it and retry the washer and see how it goes from there. But if it's still the same with the screen lighting up but nothing on there, then it's looking like the display screen is faulty. On this model you can actually replace just the screen only rather than the complete control board. Try the above and see what you find. But if that doesn't cure it, then the screen itself is looking like the fault here. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.